Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. So today I'm going to show you how you can use VPN on your iPhone. So for that you have to download it first from App Store. So I'm going to my App Store, and over here on the search bar I'm going to search VPN, and then from here I'm going to download it. Okay, so you have to download VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. So with VPN you can use any apps that you can't use without VPN. So I'm going to download it first, and then I'm going to show you how you can use it. So okay, let this finish. Okay, so go to VPN, and from here tap continue, and then tap continue, accept, allow, and yeah, your VPN is on. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. Bye bye.